In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send contracts from Pandadoc. We'll walk through the process from uploading your contract all the way to sending it out for signature, so by the end you'll be able to confidently send a contract to any client or partner. First, once you're logged into your Pandadoc account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on New Document. This is your starting point anytime you want to create or send something in Pandadoc. When you click it, Pandadoc will prompt you to choose how you want to build your document. For this workflow, we're using an existing contract file, so go ahead and choose Select File. Then, browse your computer for the contract you want to send. This might be a PDF, a Word document, or another supported format. Once you've selected the file, Pandadoc will upload it and open it in the editor so you can prepare it for signing. Next, you'll need to add the people who will be signing the contract. Look for the option to add recipients. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of each signer. Make sure you double-check spelling because this is where Pandadoc will send the signature request. After you've added your recipients, click Continue to move into the field setup. Now you'll see your contract on the screen, along with a panel on the right that contains different fields. From this panel, drag a signature field onto the document and drop it where you want your signer to sign. If you have multiple signers, you can assign each signature field to the correct person using the recipient selector. Take a moment to position the fields clearly so there's no confusion for your signer. Once your signature fields are in place, click Review and Send. This takes you to a final review screen where you can confirm everything looks correct before sending. Here, enter a clear document name. This is what you and your recipient will see in emails and inside Pandadoc, so choose something descriptive, like Service Agreement, March 2026. When you're ready, click Continue again. You'll then see the email message that will accompany your contract. Type your email subject and body here. A short, clear note explaining what the contract is for and any important context works best. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send Document. Pandadoc will deliver the contract to your recipient's inbox, and they'll be able to review and sign it electronically.